Picture this. Every time you stream music, share a file, or check your email, you're tapping into the invisible world of cloud computing. But what exactly is the cloud, and how does it shape the way we work and connect? At its core, cloud computing is about delivering computing resources like storage, servers, and applications over the internet. Instead of relying on clunky hardware, you access what you need from anywhere at any time. Cloud environments aren't all the same. Let's break down the four main types, each with its own strengths and ideal uses. First, there's the public cloud. It's like renting an apartment in a high-rise. Multiple tenants share the same building, but each has private access to their own space. Public cloud providers like Amazon Web Services or Microsoft Azure offer vast resources to anyone on demand. The benefit? Scalability and cost-effectiveness, perfect for startups and enterprises looking for maximum flexibility without heavy investment. Next, the private cloud. Imagine having your own custom-built house, designed for your unique needs. In this setup, an organization's cloud infrastructure is dedicated solely to them, either managed internally or by a third party. Private clouds offer greater control and security, ideal for companies handling sensitive information or meeting strict compliance standards. Then comes the hybrid cloud, blending public and private environments. It's like having a secure home, but also keeping an apartment in the city for when you need extra space. This model allows businesses to run sensitive tasks privately, while leveraging the speed and scale of the public cloud when demand spikes. Finally, the community cloud. Think of this as a gated neighborhood where several organizations with similar needs share infrastructure for a common goal. Universities collaborating on research or healthcare groups managing compliance are real-world examples. Community clouds foster shared knowledge while maintaining robust privacy. Whether you're building apps, storing data, or powering a global workforce, understanding these cloud types empowers you to make smarter, more secure decisions about the future.